Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to verify your Paxful account. To verify your Paxful account, first of all, launch open the Paxful application and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of Paxful, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. In the account section, you will be able to see an option that says Account Verification. Simply tap on it and you can go through the account verification or identity verification for Paxful. You will first need to verify your phone number and email address. If you haven't done that already, you must go through the process. After verifying your email and phone number, tap on the ID verification option from the list. Now, tap on the ID issuing country text box and select your country from the list. Make sure to choose the country correct since you will need to verify your document for that specific country. After choosing your country from the list, select the ID type you can provide in order to verify yourself. Select any one options between driver's license, identity card, and passport. Choose any one option from the list and then enter your address information in the text box. Enter your country's name, the region or your state, name of the city, and your address. Also make sure to type in the postal code and then tap on process. Now click on the confirm button to ensure that all your details are correct. Select if you are a resident of the country, and once you make a selection, click on continue. Now you'll need to go ahead and identify with your identity document. You'll need to take a photo of one of your government issued ID and a selfie. Click the continue button and allow access to your phone's camera by tapping allow. Now you'll need to scan the front of your identity type and the back of it as well, and take a selfie holding down your ID to confirm your identity. After completing the steps, you can submit your verification request and Paxful will review your documents and you will receive a notification once your account is verified. Account verification helps increase your transaction limits and allows you to buy and sell securely on Paxful. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.